Okay, let's continue to use the online compiler, the GDB, and of course remember to set your programming language, in this case is Python 3. Alright, now there is this function ORD, okay, which I'm gonna explain right now, is basically an extraction of the character, in this case the letter D, alright, and find is Unicode. So the letter D itself, the Unicode is actually 68. Okay, you can go through the list. Okay, there are plenty of such lists, but I'm going to copy this code, right, and I'm going to paste it. But this time I'm going to change this letter D, which is the first line is the capital letter D, to a small letter d. Alright, and I'm going to run this. So it's going to produce 2 lines of output. Okay, and you will see a different number. See this? The capital D is 68, while the small letter, alright, D is 100. Okay, so first rule, every character is different. So a capital letter D and a small letter d is not the same. They have different code. Alright. I'm going to do one more. Just bear with me. Okay. I'm going to take this capital letter D, which we already found out is 68. And I'm going to do an addition to it. Let's say I'm going to add 30. Let's see whether this will run. And it runs. No error. See that? So the letter D, capital letter D, is 68. Then you can actually add 30 to it. It becomes 98. Okay. So it is possible to not just extract the Unicode, alright, but you can also play around with it, okay, and treat it as a number.